guys, my name is Seth Travis. Today I'm going to do my very first tutorial, so don't roast me too hard. So basically, I'm going to teach you guys how to set up Discord without application audio capture, alright? We're going to make this simple, we're going to make this easy. I'm going to make this a simple tutorial. All the tutorials out there, I found it hard to do, but this one is very easy to do. So like, I'm going to show you step by step. First thing you want to do is go to your web browser. I got Brave, so I'm going to be using Brave. Go to your web browser. Then you want to type in Voicemeter banana. I chose banana, but like you can just do normal Voicemeter. But I prefer banana, because like it has more features and shit like that. So like, get banana, hit download, put it in your download folder. If you want more cables, just do VB cable virtual audio device. Click that, click download, hit save. Now I'm going to restart my PC when I get to the tune. So basically, open up File Explorer. Go to your downloads folder, and then what you want to do is you need to have WinRAR, by the way, to extract these stuff. So first thing you want to do, make a new folder, and then name it whatever you want. You could be like banana or some shit like that, anything like that. So then you want to take your VB cable, throw it in here. And then you right click and then extract here. Boom. Then you want to hit VB cable setup. X40. Hit install. It should install, right? I don't know why it stopped responding. I don't know what's going on, but like, yeah. Now it's gonna say reboot your system, like restart your computer. I'm doing this live, so that way, I can walk you through it and everything else. So like, now I'm gonna go install the Voicemeter setup, and then we're gonna hit extract here, and I hit setup. You gotta install this too. As it's installing, we're gonna restart the computer. Okay, guys. When I come, never mind. I'm not done yet. Hee. Silly me. I'm still not done yet. Oh my god, hurry up! God damn! Okay, sorry, my bad. Alright. So now it's done. Now it's done stalling. Now all you gotta do is restart your computer. I'll see you when I come back, okay? Okay, welcome back everybody. So now that you've restarted your computer, so what you want to do is type in Voicemeter. Everybody's gonna assumably have Voicemeter, and that's okay. I'm gonna use Voicemeter for this one, but I'm gonna use banana for mine. No, so what you want to do is click A1, then you want to go to multimedia, and then you want to go to your you want to go to your like speakers, your default speakers. Make sure you look in sound. So what you want to do first is like go into sound, you go to control panel, then go to sound, then look for your speakers. As you can see, Fifine headset is my main speaker, so you want to go do that. Now, fuck, I hit the wrong thing. Click that. So that's what you want to do. Now, next thing you want to do is go into okay, so like you see this virtual input, right? You want to look at this virtual input, right? And then you want to follow that. So what you want to do is go back into sound. So you go back to the sound setting in control panel. Next, you want to look for. You want to scroll all the way down till you see VB Audio Voicemet. VB Audio Voicemeter. Okay, so now that you do that, what you want to do. Okay, by the way, I'm gonna tell you this now. It's not gonna be the same thing. So if I'm gonna guess this right, it's gonna be number 6. So look for number 6. But I downloaded Banana, so I don't know if anything else was gonna be the same exact thing. But this is what you want to do. You want to look for number 6, and then what you want to do is change the number. I will name it Discord Audio. And then I hit apply and hit OK. So now, when I do Discord Audio, it should play whatever that's in Discord Audio. So I'm going to call up my friend and then, but first we need to do some settings before we call up my friend here. So like first thing you want to do is go to user settings. You want to go all the way down to voice and video. And then it will say, we got to look for Discord audio. So we got to find Discord audio. So see it said Discord audio Voicemeter. And that's what you have to do. Now, for the last thing you have to do is right click or just hit plus right here. Then look for output capture. And then you want to name the output capture Discord or something that you want, doesn't matter. Now listen, it works on all Discord, all around. So you do that, look for Discord audio, click it, and then boom, it's in there. Now you might want to turn this down a little bit because it's gonna get a little loud. You can add filters to it later, but like that's at a later date. Now I'm gonna give my friend a call, and then we're gonna see if it works. All right, so I'm gonna call my friend Crow. I'm gonna mention him in the video and also collab. So we're gonna hit this. We're gonna give him a call. Oh yeah, don't forget to like change it back to FIFA headset. Hello, Crow.
Yep, I'm here.
Yep. See, you guys, you can hear him. You can hear him now. I was just explaining to the viewers that like how to change the audio. This was a very scuffed video at first.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how you doing, Crow?
Good. You?
I'm doing fantastic. Well, that's all I wanted to call you about, Crow. Thanks to you for coming in, man. I appreciate it, dog. Also,
No problem.
also subscribe to Crow VT. Oh shit! Oh hi. You didn't have to come back. It's all good, bro. I was just telling them to subscribe to you and follow you on Twitch.
Oh, okay. There.
All right. Bye, man. Okay, so yeah, that's how you do it. And now, that's the end of my tutorial. And that's how you do it. Hey, it's not the end just yet. So, like, there's one last thing I forgot to mention. If you're going to do this for, like, live streaming and stuff like that. So, I'm going to teach you one last thing before I go. So, this will not work if Voicemeter is not running. So, what I want you to do is to go to the menu. Then I want you to hit run on Windows System Startup. This is for Windows users only, by the way. Yeah, I don't know if Mac version has a version of this. I don't know. But yeah, this is what you want to do. But yeah, that's what you want to do. And then that should keep it going. You can also have it run in the system tray if you wanted to. Stuff like that. Like I said, that's the end of my tutorial. My name is Seth Travis, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. And also, another thing, too. I'm not a tutorial channel. So, like, you probably won't get another tutorial like this again. Hopefully. We will see. We will see. Hopefully I can. Hopefully this helped you in your streaming journey, and I know it surely helped me because now I don't have to worry about audio capture. You see, when I use application audio capture, right? So let's say if I change the scene, it will get rid of the voices. So a better example is my live stream of burgling gnomes. Yeah, I lost footage because of that. Please be sure to give me a like. Please be sure to give Crow a subscribe. And subscribe to my channel for more wacky content. This is not wacky content today, but it'll be wacky content next time. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye.